Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be working with this image of a cozy house nestled in a green field, and we will turn it into a snowy wonderland. Let's get started. Just a quick note, the images used in this tutorial were downloaded from Pexels and Unsplash. You will find the specific links to these images in the description below. You need to open Photoshop. Go to File and click Open. Select the image that you want to edit. Click Open. Use the Quick Selection tool to carefully select the house. Don't worry about the precise selection. We can use masking technique to adjust them later. Once the house is selected, press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection onto a new layer. This will keep the house's original colors intact. Name this new layer House. Select the original background layer, the layer below the house layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation. Or you can click on this button at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Hue Saturation. In the Hue Saturation panel, open the Master drop-down menu and select Green. Adjust the saturation slider to reduce the green color. Move it significantly to the left to desaturate the greens. You can also adjust the lightness slider to adjust the brightness of the selected area. Below is the Hue Spectrum slider. It allows you to shift the base color of selected green pixels. By sliding it, you can change the greens to other hues to minimize their presence in the image. Let's set Curves Adjustment layer. In the Curves panel, raise the lower left point of the curve slightly to brighten the shadows and give the image a washed out snowy look. Adjust the overall curve to brighten the midtones and highlights, creating a brighter wintry feel. Feel free to adjust the individual red, green and blue channels for more precise color correction. Now, to add a bit more snow around the house and trees, select the layer mask of the house layer, use a soft white brush and paint around the edges of the house and onto the trees surrounding it. Remember, we want to leave some areas green to maintain contrast and avoid a completely white look. Now, let's add some snowfall on the image. Bring Snowfall Particles image into the project. Once the image is imported, make sure that the direction of the snow is downward. This will make the snow appear to be falling down. With the Snowfall Particles layer selected, change the blending mode from normal to screen. This will make the dark areas of the snowfall image transparent, leaving only the bright snow particles visible. Tip of the day. Tip number 1. If the snowfall looks too intense in some areas, then add a layer mask to the snowfall layer. And use a soft black brush to paint away the snow where you want it to be less visible. Tip number 2. If the snowfall particles look too sharp, apply a subtle Gaussian blur to the snowfall layer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗲𝗀𝗆𝗏1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.